Okay, everybody, hello and welcome. My name is PG Mac, and I'm going to be showing you in the next 60 days how to get more value from your digital marketing goals. I hope that you're getting a lot of value out of them. And remember to click the subscribe button below if you would like to get notified in your inbox each day whenever a new video gets released. Okay, so without further ado then, let's get started. Today's video, and welcome back, by the way, to week 2. Thank you for staying with us. This is week 2 in the iCanDOur online digital marketing practice series of videos designed to help you to make, to break, to shatter your digital marketing records in terms of customer conversions, lead acquisitions, high paying, high ticket paying clients. Okay, so today is all about I is for invite. What we want to do is we want to invite customers, invite prospects, invite pre-leads, invite leads, call them what you will, into your story. So we're going to show you how to create a story inside the longer form videos, and we're going to show you how to invite them into it through a process, for example, which we use. The resources that we use are YouTube and Facebook. So we're going to show you how to create a nice little Facebook ad that is designed to get them to put their hands up and say, oh yes, I would love something like this, based on a short little YouTube video from our library, much like this one here. So remember, if you would like to get hold of the longer form videos, where we share more questions, more examples, I share my screen with you, and you get a chance to see some more of the examples as we get down into the nitty gritty. And again, this is a complimentary series, so please click on the link below and stay tuned to the end of this video, where we will get a chance to share with you more resources, more tips. Okay, so thank you very much. And then we look forward to seeing you and speaking with you again in tomorrow's video. Thank you all very much for watching. Bye for now. Hello, everybody, and thank you once again for watching today's video. We hope you got a lot of value from it. Now, remember, we are social, and here are our contact details at the moment appearing on your screen. Now, remember, these are the 3 types of things that we do dramatically different in this wonderful world of digital marketing. We focus on 3 things: the power of video by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way. Number 2, we help you to build your list, even if you've got a very small list. And we also help you to retarget the people that are already on your list. Now, the 3rd thing that we help people to do is we help them to build a sales pipeline, something that we call a magic sales 11x funnel. And remember, everything is fully guaranteed by our 60-day super duper titanium plated money back, one conditional guarantee. Don't forget about the one condition. You have to do the work. And also, here's the link for, as we promised at the beginning of the video, for our free 60-day video training series challenge. This is vts.icandour.net. And if you would like to book a free one-on-one strategy call, a business upgrade call with myself, PG Mac, here are the details. It's calendar.icandour.net. If you click on that link, then it will take you straight over to my calendar. And if you're lucky enough, there may be 1 or 2 slots still available to talk with me. Okay, those are the contact details once again. So we look forward to hearing from you. And please remember, reach out with any questions or comments that you may have. And remember to like us and subscribe, hit the little bell notification icon below. And we look forward to seeing you very much in tomorrow's video. Thank you once again. And this is me, PG Mac, saying peace out. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.